Gold Rush. It sounds like a knockoff cereal your parents would buy from a budget supermarket, which is a gateway to type 2 diabetes and dental cavities. When in reality, this is actually another excellent cocktail from milk and honey. The ingredient lineup: bourbon whiskey, honey syrup, there's a link to a recipe in the description, and then fresh lemon juice. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of bourbon whiskey to our shaker, and I really need to go bourbon shopping as my suppliers are running super low. Follow this up with 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5ml of our honey syrup. Then lastly add 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice, and it's that simple but such an amazing cocktail, this one. Add ice to our shaker and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. The Gold Rush was a creation from the 2000s at the legendary Milk and Honey Bar in New York, who have created so many modern classic cocktails, and they really make some interesting drinks. And then add to a double rocks glass a big ice cube, and make sure you get this tempered so it doesn't crack when you pour on your cocktail. Then we just want to double strain the contents of the tin. Then for our garnish, I'm going to do a lemon peel. I'm using the peeling knife here as I caused the bloodbath earlier this year with a Y peeler when I was making an old fashioned. I'm not doing that again. Express the oils of the peel and then place into the glass. The taste test. This is excellent. I'm not a big whiskey fan, but the lemon juice and the honey syrup really tones it down. The honey and the whiskey is a classical pairing. Once again, another excellent drink for milk and honey. I really like this.